Welcome in maths class. We are going to start miscellaneous exercise of trigonometric functions. See, some questions we will do. In previous video we did some questions. So question number 6, that is sine of a minus b upon sine of a plus b, a square minus b square upon c square we want to show. So consider left hand side, sine of a minus b upon sine of a plus b. Look at the denominator, that is a plus b. We can express in triangle ABC, a plus b is equal to a plus b plus c is 180, so a plus b is 180 minus c. Therefore sine of a plus b is equal to sine of 180 minus c, and sine pi minus c is equal to sine c, so that we will write sine c. So in denominator, sine of a plus b will write sine c. So our LHS become, LHS is equal to sine of a minus b upon sine of a plus b. In place of sine a plus b, we will write what? Sine c. So sine of a minus b upon sine c we write. Now further, sine of a minus b, we expand it. Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So that is equal to sine a cos b minus cos a sine b upon sine c. Sine c. Now here we use sine rule and cosine rule. For this we use sine rule, and for this we use cosine rule. Sine rule and cosine rule both we use here. We know a is equal to, sine rule is this, a is equal to k sine a. So therefore sine a we can express as a upon k. Similarly, sine b we express as b upon k, and sine c will express as c upon k. Therefore this is a upon k, and cosine rule we use cos b, a square plus c square minus b square upon 2ac minus sine b is b upon k, into cosine rule cos a, that is b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc upon denominator sine c is c upon k, which is c upon k. Now all these k in denominator are getting cancelled. This a is getting cancelled, here b is getting cancelled, this k already is getting cancelled. So in denominator we have 2c, here we have 2c, that is equal to a square plus c square minus b square minus b square plus c square minus a square. This 2c and this denominator is again 2c. 2c in denominator, 2c, and this c in denominator, which is 2c square. So therefore here c square and c square is getting cancelled. Minus of minus a square, that will be plus a square, and this a square, let us write it, a square minus b square, then minus again b square plus a square. Denominator is 2c and c, that is 2c square 2c square. So it will be 2a square minus 2b square upon 2c square. So this 2 is getting cancelled, and finally we are getting the right hand side, that is a square minus b square upon c square, which is required in the right hand side. So this is what RHS. Question number 8. In triangle ABC, cos A is equal to sin B minus cos C, then we show that it is a right angle triangle. So triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. What is given? Cos A is equal to sin B minus cos C. So this cos C we take in the left hand side. So we will be getting cos A plus cos C. What we did? Cos C we take in the left hand side. Right hand side is sin B. We apply here cos C plus cos D formula. So it will be 2 cos C plus D upon 2, that is A plus C upon 2, into cos C minus D upon 2, that is A minus C upon 2. Right hand side sin B. Further, A plus C, wherever A plus C, A plus B or B plus C. So this A, B, C all are the angles of triangle, therefore we can write A plus C as 180 minus B, third angle. So A plus C divided by 2 is 180 divided by 180 minus B divided by 2, that is 90 minus B upon 2, and so that cos of A plus C upon 2 will be cos of 90 minus B upon 2, which is sin of B upon 2. Sin of B upon 2. So thus we have cos of A plus C upon 2 is sin of B upon 2. Therefore, and see the right hand side, sin B will write 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. So 2 in place of cos of A plus C, will write sin of B by 2. Sin of B by 2 into cos of A minus C upon 2. Right hand side sin B will write 2 sin B by 2 upon into cos B by 2. So clearly this 2 sin B by 2 is getting cancelled, and what are left, that we write here cos of A minus C upon 2, cos of A minus C upon 2 is equal to cos of B upon 2. Now clearly these two angles must be same. See, this B upon 2 angle and this A minus C upon 2 angle must be same. Therefore, we want to show this is a right angle triangle. We want to show it is a right angle triangle. So A plus C, A minus C upon 2 is equal to B upon 2. This 2 is getting cancelled. So A minus C is equal to B, that is A is equal to B plus C. Now see, in triangle ABC, we have A plus B plus C is 180, and clearly B plus C is equal to A. So in place of B plus C, we'll write A. So A plus A is 180, and therefore 2A is equal to 180. So A is 90 degree. Now as this A is 90 degree, so what did you infer? That the triangle ABC is what? Right angled at A. So therefore we write triangle ABC is right angled at A. Got it? So A is 90 degree we have shown. So therefore it is a right angle triangle. Question number 9. If sine of A upon sine C is equal to sine A minus B upon sine B minus C, then we want to show A square, B square, C square are in AP, arithmetic progression. So look at the given expression that sine A upon sine C is equal to sine of, see, sine A minus B, sine B minus C will expand. Sine A cos B minus cos A sine B upon, similarly, denominator sine B cos C minus cos B sine C. So sine of B minus C we expanded, sine of A minus B we expanded left hand side as it is. Here simultaneously we use sine rule and cosine rule. So as we have sine rule is A is equal to K sine A. So in place of sine A we will write A upon K. So sine A is equal to A upon K we can write. So sine A is what? A upon K. Sine C is C upon K. This K is finally getting cancelled. A upon K into cosine rule we use here. Cosine rule, cos B A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC minus sine B is there, so B upon K, and cosine rule cos A, which is B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Denominator same, that is sine B is what? B upon K. Cosine rule we use cos C A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB minus sine C C upon K cos B A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Then this K is getting cancelled. Here 2 again will get cancelled from numerator and denominator. Here A is getting cancelled, B is getting cancelled. Here also B is getting cancelled and C is getting cancelled. So this K is getting cancelled. What is our left hand side? It is A upon C. The right hand side is C is left here in denominator. Here also in denominator C is left. So that denominator is C here. And numerator A square plus C square minus B square minus B square plus C square minus A square. Similarly, here denominator is A. So let us write that cross multiplication. Dividing by this means multiplying by its reciprocal we can write. So it is A upon, A is left in the denominator. Here A upon A square plus B square minus C square, B square minus C square minus A square plus C square minus B square. Here the C square and C square is getting cancelled. Here in the denominator this A square and A square is getting cancelled. Then what is left? This A and C in denominator we can write first. Here left hand side is A upon C. This A upon C will write in the first. See this A and C in denominator. We wrote A upon C first. Then here C square is getting cancelled. Minus of minus will be plus A square, 2A square. 2A square minus b square minus b square minus 2b square. Here b square minus of minus b square 2b square. Then minus c square and minus c square minus 2c square. This is getting cancelled. This 2, 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. Finally we'll get see what is left in the left hand side. It is 1. Here a square minus b square, a square minus b square. Here b square minus c square is getting, b square minus c square is getting. We will take cross multiplication. Take cross multiplication. B square minus c square is equal to a square minus b square. This b square will take in the left hand side. 2b square it will be. C square we take in the right hand side. A square plus c square it is. What did you infer now? A square, b square and c square, they are in what? AP. Middle term 2 times of b square is equal to a square plus c square. That means that is a square, b square, c square are in AP. So this a square, b square, c square are in AP, which is required to show. We are going to solve question number 13. In triangle ABC, if C angle is equal to 90 degree, then we want to prove that sine of A minus B is equal to sine A. Sine of A minus B is A square minus B square upon A square plus B square. So look at this left hand side we consider, which is sine of A minus B. So we expand it, sine of A minus B, sine A minus B, we expand sine A cos B, sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. Here we apply sine rule as well as cosine rule. Both sine and cosine rule we use. So that sine A, as we said, A upon K, that is A upon K, which is sine rule, sine of A. Then we write cos B by cosine rule. By cosine rule we will write cos B, which is A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC minus sine B. This sine B by sine rule, B upon K, it is B upon K. Then cos of A by cosine rule, B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. Simplify it, divide. Here A is getting cancelled, B is getting cancelled. What is left in the denominator? 2KC is the LCM of denominator. 2KC. A square plus C square minus B square minus B square plus C square minus A square. Then again what is getting cancelled? This C square is getting cancelled. Minus of minus, it will be plus A square, which is 2A square minus B square, and this minus B square, 2B square upon 2K into C. Now this 2 is getting cancelled again from numerator and denominator. We want to show that it is equal to A square minus B square upon A square plus B square. See, this is equal to A square minus B square. Numerator, what we want, it is getting, but denominator is K into C. K into C. But what is given us? Here C angle is 90 degrees given. So we write here given angle C is equal to 90 degree in the right angle triangle. So that means triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at C. here ABC triangle, it is right angled at C. This the opposite side is small c, here it is small a and small b. Now as this angle is 90 degree, so its sine of 90 degrees, see sine C is equal to sine of 90 degree, and that is equal to 1. So sine C is equal to 1. Now sine rule is what? C is equal to k sine C, but sine C is equal to 1. So what we can write in this place, we will write 1. So thus we are getting it is k into 1, which is k. That means what we are getting, C is equal to k. So here in place of this k, what we can write? C. We can write k is equal to C. So our LHS is equal to sine of a minus b, and right hand side is a square minus b square upon k. K is what? C. C into C, that is c square. A square minus b square upon c square. But this is not required to show. A square plus b square is required to show. Look at this right angle triangle. What is C? Hypotenuse. So C must be equal to a square plus b square. So that we write a square minus b square, a square plus b square. Why? Because c square is equal to a square plus b square. It is a right angle triangle. So therefore, which is right hand side, which is to be shown. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.